Hi beauties, have you ever hear about retinol body cream or ever try such body creams or lotion? Today, I will share such super product, which name is cocokind retinol body cream. This is specially formulated for body. This lightweight body moisturizer with 0.05% retinol helps firm skin's appearance and improves the look of uneven tone and texture. Squalane and ceramide NP work together to deliver hydration and lock it in, keeping skin moisturized and comfortable. The fragrance-free cream absorbs instantly and leaves skin feeling silky and soft, never sticky or greasy. This formula has been clinically tested for sensitive skin. You can buy it in 236 ml in $22. Now talk about its benefits. Helps skin appear firmer, improves the look of uneven tone and texture, reduces the appearance of body breakouts, restores moisture and suppleness, supports more youthful-looking skin. Fast-absorbing, non-greasy, how to use. Massage onto clean, dry skin from the shoulders down. Introduce every other evening to start, increasing to nightly use as tolerated. Wear sun protection during the day. Final thought. How I found this product. I can sincerely say, I've seen a difference in a fine line that had been building on my neck after a few weeks of using this. I use it on my neck, chest, arms, and more. This is an easy cream, the right weight, and I love that it's unscented. So, say hello to firmer, more youthful-looking skin from head to toe. So highly recommended. Thanks for watching.